friends, we are back with another video, and this is how we are taking the parts of the hair and we are trying to make something like this plaits over here. This is how we are taking the parts of the hair one by one and we are trying to make this another different kind of bun look, not exactly a bun, it's a kind of plait that we are making, and this can be used in your nice Barbie doll hairstyle and also as a nice casual look and decorate with the help of matching bits. Now this is how we have made the ponies over here, and the same rubber band goes here, and this is how we are trying to give this nice beautiful flower shape, and after that we are trying to put the hair inside and making this kind of pattern around it, and we are trying to fold it with the help of this rubber band so that it goes this beautiful look that we have given and made this nice bun out of this hair so nicely. Now it's time to create another look, and this is how we have made something like this pattern, circular pattern, and from front it's like this and it's a kid hairstyle. Now what we'll do, we'll try to make these plaits and from front something like this, and this is how we are trying to create the shape over here, and this is how we are giving beautiful heart shape and taking the small parts of the hair. This is how we are trying to cover and make this nice hairstyle. Now using this nice bun maker, this is how we are putting inside and we are trying to roll the hair like this and making a beautiful bun look that we have created over here. And this is again a nice office wear bun that you can create whenever you go out, and this is how so lovely it goes. Now it's time to create one more hairstyle, and this is how we have tied two ponies, and this is how we are giving such a nice ribbon look over here, and this is how after giving the plaits it's again a kid's look. Now it's time to create one more hairstyle, and this is how we are taking the hair and making something like this pattern over here. Now we are trying to make the plaits around it and making something like this beautiful look and putting the hair inside. This is how we have made such a nice cute lovely bun, and here we are making it so nicely and tying this matching thing. Now we have made such a nice cute pony, and now we are putting the hair inside. This is how we are trying to roll it so that we can get this nice beautiful shape, and we will try to cover it like this and making the ponies and putting the hair inside. This is how we are trying to make this beautiful shape over here, and now we are tying with the help of rubber band and making this patterns around it, and this is how we have made such a cute bun. Now what we'll do, we'll try the pony, and this is how we have made the plaits over here below. It's a kid's hairstyle that we will see now, and this is how we have made such a nice cute kid hairstyle. Now here we are trying to make another look, and this is how we are putting the rubber inside and making this ponies like this. This is how we have created this beautiful pony over here, giving the shape and tying it like this plaits over here, and this is how we are taking the matching clip over here and making this beautiful look.